soya sauce. Chicken stock. Yep. I got bread. And noodles. You know, noodle you have to soak them like in cold water, like
Oh, no.
a couple hours.
Really?
Yeah.
You're revealing all your secrets.
And then would you like broccoli?
Oh, yes, please.
Cauliflower?
Yes, please.
Carrot?
Yep.
Some Asian they like add bean sprout and
yeah.
spring onion, but only like on New Zealand.
Yeah.
And then when I leave it easy for like popular cauliflower. Yeah. And then if you like peanuts,
Oh,
you
yes,
can
please.
put peanut on that or top on or beside.
Okay.
Roast peanut.
Those peanuts are really coming through. It smells incredible. So exotic. Wow. Yum, 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 yum. Yum.
Done. Yeah.
Wow. Pad Thai underneath. Oh my god. Alright. Let's try and get a bit of everything. Cheers. I'm overwhelmed with flavor. That lime really freshens it up. Sweet, sour. The tanginess just works so well. Whoa, the wind is blowing my nuts. Ooh. I can't fault this. It's so good.